We love taking RYOBI with us when we go camping.
Inflator, lights, music, and now we're organised thanks to RYOBI Traxx.
These Traxx bags are made for adventurers like us. Take a look at the large clear top canvas bag and the half-size bag.
They hold heaps of stuff, and the clear top lid lets us see what's inside.
It comes with adjustable dividers that let us customise the bag.
And the inside's water resistant too.
So it's quick and easy to wipe up any spills.
These heavy-duty zippers will survive the toughest of trips.
The foam reinforced walls protect the contents and the bag too.
If you like to keep tools organised and in the one place, check out the canvas tool roll.
It makes it easy to find for repairs and in little emergencies. Tell them about the wheel bag.
Oh yeah, when I go four-wheel driving, I use it to carry the dirty recovery gear and firewood.
And after carrying our camp rubbish on the trip home, we can hose it out too.
So if you're going on an adventure, make sure you grab your RYOBI Traxx.
And you'll be a happy camper.
RYOBI, a cut above.